This is boring, but you'll be able to land your first gold mine offer fast, because in this video today, I'll be laying down the full A to Z blueprint on how to do so. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive straight in. First and most important thing we need to cover is being able to transform yourself. Maybe you're in a 9-to-5 right now, maybe you're stuck in university, you're just not really capable of believing in yourself to be able to get you from where you are now to where you want to go. So I mean, in terms of actually getting started with remote sales, you need to become this appointment setter / this closer in order to get the life that you want. So that just means like just transferring your beliefs from, letting go of these limiting beliefs that just doesn't really think this is possible right now, into acquiring and installing the abundance mindset to know that the money is already out there. It's all printed. It's just waiting for you to go collect it. And to cut out these limiting beliefs, it is a process. It will take time. But as long as right now, you just know if you do these actionable steps, you can get to that life that you truly desire. Because right here, we can look at myself 2 or 3 years ago, where I'm stuck in university, learning from a fake guru on how to make money with like a business degree. And then she was not even owning her own business. She was only making less than 6 figures a year, driving a Honda Civic to work. And that's just not really someone you want to learn from. Compared to who I am now, being able to travel to like Dubai, the Philippines, Malaysia, Bali, make $20,000 a month anywhere in the world. It took letting go of these limiting beliefs that it wasn't really possible, to acquiring the abundance mindset to be able to spend money, make money, and just let money come and go as it pleases, and just doing the right inputs every single day. So to go right into it, we're gonna go straight into sourcing. So the first thing you wanna do is open up YouTube, open up the app, or you can go on the website. And then what you want to do is position yourself as a prospect, someone that's looking to learn a high income online skill, and then navigate to find your desired niche. So let's just say you want to learn how to day trade. You're gonna be typing that in. Let's just say you wanna find a fitness offer. You can look up how to get in shape, maybe an e-commerce offer, how to make money online with e-commerce. There's an abundance of different offers online, and there's so many different ones out there. So I mean, just find which one aligns best with you, and then try to find that one. So let's just say we pick day trading, for example, just because I have that all kind of lined up here for this video. First off, you want to kind of go through their funnel and make sure that they have a high ticket offer, because if they don't, you're going to be wasting your time, their time, and you're going to put yourself in a losing position. So to do this, let's just say you're going on YouTube, you search up how to day trade, and we find Juvier Gyms, for example. First off, you want to make sure they have enough traffic. So if we zoom in here, we can see that he has over 500,000 subscribers, gets tons and tons of views each and every single video. So we know, obviously, he's getting a lot of traffic. And then next up, you want to kind of dig through their funnel a little bit. You want to go into their description. You can go over here into the more section, like where you see all the links lined up on their YouTube platform. And then you want to kind of go through all the way until you find like a VSL, a landing page, to make sure they even have a high ticket offer in the first place. So right here, when we clicked on Juvier's video, we saw down here in the description, there was a link to trade live with him. So it sounds very personal, sounds more one-on-one access, more of like a mentorship. So we're gonna click that link. And that link obviously led us to a landing page where he has his VSL landing page thing, where we kind of watch this and go all the way through. So now that we know that Juvier Gyms has a high ticket offer, what we're gonna wanna do is start listing and creating a Google Sheet to create a lead list of people that we're going to outreach to. And what we need to do is we need to organize the important information that we're able to get from Juvier Gyms on how we're gonna actually outreach to him. So of course, we have his name, we have his niche, which is day trading. We can find his email 2 ways. First off, if you go here and click more, you can find his email there when you click the about and get his email address. Or number 2, this one's a lot more efficient. If you go to his landing page, watch the entire video, and actually book a call, you'll be getting an email confirmation from a different email, which is most likely his personal email or one of his closers. And with both of these emails, we want to go here to the listing sheet and put both of these emails here. And then you just want to find him on as many platforms as you can. So you can look Juvier Gyms up on Facebook, you can find his Instagram, and obviously put his YouTube channel link in here as well. And what you're going to want to do after you get around 50 to 100 leads is to start outreaching. And with outreaching, what you need to do is set a number of outreaches that you're going to be doing every single day. And that just means like how many people you're reaching out to. So whether that be 3 or 10 a day, if you do 10, that's gonna obviously speed up the process of you landing a Goldmine offer, but I definitely recommend 3 being the minimum recommendation of how many you're sending each and every single day. And with these outreaches, you want to make it as customized and tailored to this person that you're sending it to as possible, especially with the email subject. And then what you want to do once you figure out what you're sending in this video, you want to outreach to these people on all platforms that you can. So whether that be email, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, try to find these people on all different platforms. And what you're going to want to send to them is a 30-second to 1-minute video, just selling yourself on why you'd be the best appointment setter or a closer, just depending on what role you're looking for. So for example, I'll give you guys a quick little glimpse of what you should be sending out. Hey Juvier, my name is Ryan Little. I'm 22, living in Bangkok, Thailand right now. I really love and respect what you're doing, helping people change their lives, learning the best skill in the world, which is day trading. I know your time is very limited, but I'm looking to close all of your old, cold, dead leads just to prove myself to you that I'm the best closer in the game. And I'm willing to do this for free until I close a few deals. And then of course we can talk about commissions later. I know you're very busy, so no need to respond or text. Really respect and love what you do. Hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to hear back from you. So something like that where you're a little bit non-needy, you kind of reach out to what you're looking to do for him, and even like kind of bluffing a bit and saying that you'll close some cold dead leads for him. But obviously, we're trying to make some money here. So usually he'll kind of connect you with his sales manager, get you in touch, you'll have an interview. And if you crush the interview, you'll obviously be landing your first offer. And then of course, it normally does take more than one outreach. Like you're not gonna just send one video and then bam, you're on a Goldmine offer, you're printing, you're traveling to Bangkok, Dubai, and Miami, you're living that grand life. It usually takes more than one. So follow-up is absolutely key to getting seen and landing your first Goldmine offer. So what you want to do is when you're reaching out to these people, you want to start color coding your list on who answered, who didn't answer, how many times did you outreach to this person, so that way you know exactly what's going on and you can track everything. So that way you can see what's working, what's not working, how many times does it usually take to get someone to see you. So that way you can make yourself a lot more optimized in terms of how fast you're able to land your offer. Then next up, it's all about being consistent. If you do this for 3 to 4 days and you give up, then obviously you're gonna be stuck in the 9 to 5 forever. So what I'd recommend is to send at least 300 high quality outreaches to 300 different individuals. And it's literally guaranteed, because with outreaching, you're literally cold calling for a business, because that business you're outreaching for, that is you. You're a business. As an appointment setter or a closer, you're your own business. So it's really just a numbers game. If you do 300, it's just a numbers game. Like someone's gonna see it, they're gonna give you a chance, and you'll be able to prove yourself as either an appointment setter or a closer. So guys, I know it's a very short video, but I wanted to get straight to the point on how to do this exactly A to Z. If you guys have any questions, you can put them down below in the comments. You can reach out to me on Instagram. And if you guys do want to fast drive to your first $10,000 a month anywhere in the world, you can just book a call with me if you want. I'll kind of go over exactly where you are right now. It won't be that much of a closing call, just laying down exactly how I can help, and if I can, we can move forward. But if not, no worries, I'll send you guys on your merry way. But other than that, guys, it's been an absolute pleasure. Hopefully you guys got some gems, and I will see you guys in the next one.